What if I told you that the future of AI is not controlled by a few giant corporations, but by you, by me, by all of us? Imagine a world where the power of artificial intelligence is distributed, accessible, and beneficial to everyone. That's the promise of Bittensor, a revolutionary platform that's changing the game in the world of AI. Bittensor combines the power of blockchain technology with cutting-edge AI, creating a decentralized network that's more than just lines of code. It's a global community. It's a place where anyone can contribute to the development of AI and everyone benefits from its progress. This is not your typical tech company story. It's about empowering individuals and shaping a future where AI is a force for good. Ready to dive in? Let's explore the world of Bittensor and its native token, Tau. Bittensor is a decentralized, open source platform for developing and sharing AI models. Think of it like a global network where anyone can contribute their computing power and AI knowledge to create something truly groundbreaking. At the heart of Bittensor is the Tau token. This cryptocurrency fuels the Bittensor ecosystem, incentivizing users to participate and contribute. But Bittensor is more than just technology. It's about collaboration. Imagine developers from all corners of the world coming together, sharing their expertise, and building AI models that can solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Whether it's advancing medical research, tackling climate change, or simply making our lives easier, Bittensor has the potential to unlock incredible possibilities. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into how Bittensor came to be. Bittensor was founded in 2021 by Jacob Steves and Salam Ismail, two individuals driven by a shared vision of a more equitable and accessible AI future. Jacob, with his background in mathematics and data science, brought the technical expertise, while Salam, an experienced entrepreneur, provided the business acumen to turn their dream into reality. They believed that the traditional centralized model of AI development was inherently limiting, and they set out to create a platform where anyone, regardless of their background or resources, could participate and contribute. Their goal was clear: to democratize AI and make its benefits available to the entire world. The journey wasn't easy. Building a decentralized platform from the ground up is no small feat, but their unwavering belief in their vision, coupled with their tireless efforts, began to attract a community of like-minded individuals who shared their passion for a decentralized AI future. This community would become the backbone of Bittensor, a testament to the power of shared purpose and collective action. Now let's talk about the fuel that keeps the Bittensor engine running, the Tau token. Tau is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's really the lifeblood of the Bittensor ecosystem. It's what incentivizes users to contribute their computing power and AI expertise to the network. Here's how it works. When you run a Bittensor miner, you're essentially providing your computer's resources to help train and improve the AI models on the network. In return for your contribution, you earn Tau tokens. The more you contribute, the more you earn. But it's not just about mining. Tau tokens are also used for governance, giving token holders a say in the future direction of the Bittensor platform. This means that the Bittensor community has a direct influence on how the platform evolves, ensuring that it remains true to its decentralized and community-driven ethos. Now you might be thinking, okay, this sounds interesting, but how is Bittensor different from all the other AI projects out there? That's a great question. The key difference lies in Bittensor's decentralized nature and its unique incentive system powered by the Bittensor token. Most AI projects are developed and controlled by large corporations with limited transparency and accessibility for outsiders. Bittensor flips the script by empowering individuals to directly participate in the development and governance of AI. This open and collaborative approach not only fosters innovation, but also ensures that the benefits of AI are shared more equitably. And let's not forget about the power of incentives. The Tau token creates a virtuous cycle, rewarding contributors and driving the growth of the Bittensor network. Bittensor represents a paradigm shift in the world of AI, a move away from centralized control and towards a more democratic and accessible future. It's a future where the power of AI is not wielded by a select few, but harnessed by the collective intelligence and contributions of a global community. The journey is just beginning, but the potential is honestly limitless. So what are you waiting for? Explore the world of Bittensor, learn about the Tau token, and discover how you can be a part of this exciting revolution. The future of AI is here, and it's decentralized. If you found this helpful and you want to hear about the next big thing in crypto, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with your thoughts on Bittensor Tau. At Block to Basics, we want to help you build your crypto knowledge one block at a time. See you in the next video.